Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add new workspace in Slack. At first, go to your Slack software, click on the workplace switcher, click on add a workspace, click on create a new workspace. After that, just put in your email address here. Then you'll receive a code in your email. Just put the code here. After you have entered your code, you'll be welcome to this page. Just put the name of your team here. Click on next. After that, just put in your name. And you can also add your profile picture if you want, but this is optional. Click on next. Then you can just invite your team member using Google. I'll just skip that step for now. Click on skip step. Then what's your team working on? I'm just gonna name this project A. Click on next. Then I'll go with the free version. And then I'll open up my Slack software again. Go to the workplace switcher again. Click on add a new workspace. And then click on sign into another workspace. Then I'm just gonna choose the new workspace, team A from here. And click on open. Click on open Slack. Then as you can see, we have successfully created a new workspace. And that is how to add a new workspace in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.